Sigmund Freud was the founder of psychoanalysis, a branch of medical science that gives insights into human behaviour and treating mental health conditions. He lived from 1856 to 1939 CE. Freud was born in the Austrian town of Freiburg and then moved to Vienna, from where he received his medical degree. He then started his practice in treating medical illnesses in a systematic fashion. He was also influenced by his friend Joseph Breuer, a physician and pioneer of neuroanalysis. Freud later developed his psychoanalytic theory. He proposed that neuroses had their origins in traumatic experiences that his patients had gone through in the past. According to him, though these experiences seem to be forgotten and submerged in the subconscious, recalling them back to consciousness is important for getting rid of the neurotic symptoms completely. He published a number of books on psychoanalysis, including the studies of hysteria and the interpretation of dreams, where he explored theories of dream analysis, ID, ego, superego, and psychic energy. Initially, many prominent thinkers of the time did not give importance to Freud's theories, but after the publication of his book, 5 Lectures on Psychoanalysis, in 1916, his fame grew across the world. He fled from Vienna to escape from the Nazi regime and eventually took his own life in 1939 while he was in England. That was the story of Sigmund Freud's life. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.